Yes, you are right. अगर हम 2018 का भी प्रॉफिट का नंबर देखें तो दैट वाज ओनली 200 million, so which was a billion rupee in 2019, and 2020 it was 1.7 billion. Same happened to the balance sheet, almost doubled, uh, but share price has not followed that. Interestingly, एक तो उसकी reason ये है कि I think before that period, if you look at the volume in the share, was hardly 5,000 10,000 shares a day. तो वो उस वक्त की जो प्राइस थी वो रिफ्लेक्टिव ही नहीं थी. दैट प्राइस कुड हैव बीन 10 रुपीज़, दैट प्राइस कुड हैव बीन 1 rupee, because there is no trading happening pretty much at all in the shares. So now there is lot of trading happening every day. Sometimes it's more than 1 million shares being traded. So now there is some interest in the investor to at least look at that stock. There are mutual funds who are attracted to invest. There are mutual funds who took position at 7 rupees and exited at 14 rupees. So if we look at the price band between last 2 years, it has moved between 7.5 rupees to almost 14.5 rupees. So in terms, it's only like a 7 rupee band, but actually if you look at it's a 100% change in price over that period. As of today, the price is in the range of 10 and 11 rupees. I think the price should have been higher on the basis of that performance and the earnings. Last year the earning was 1.5 rupee to a share, but I think market is smart, and market does not only consider what has happened. Market is more interested what should happen on a sustainable basis. And a 2-year performance for a bank who was not being able to perform at that level for last 12 years does not give investor a confidence about a sustainable growth story. So a growth story has to be sustainable. For any other bank, I don't want to name the banks, but there are other banks who are right now a great growth story in the market. And if you look at their share price during the initial 5 or 10 years when they started to perform, it was not moving. The float was not there, the interest was not there. The same I think is happening to BankIslami. Now there is interest. Now over a period of time, people will start believing that this is a sustainable growth story, because if 1 year you are able to grow your deposit say by 24%, and another year you are again able to grow your deposit by 23.5%, then market is waiting to see growth in deposit for the third year also. I think with a story of 3 to 4 years, I think market will start believing in the shares. One aspect is definitely volumes, and when volumes will be there, then people will start taking position, because and then the share will get to its true value. I think it's really underpriced at this point in time from whatever parameter you look into. So it's a good buy for investors. So if today somebody buys a share and the banks continue to perform at the levels it has been performing during last 2 years, I think they can earn double from here. The price has the potential to double actually to me. We will see a price of 10, 20 rupees soon, I believe.